Artificial intelligence age is here, and as more and more people are playing with ChatGPT, Hugging Face, Claude, and various other generative AI tools, I believe the real value where AI and generative AI are going to shine very soon is where they will be company specific or industry specific. So every company will have its own generative AI tooling which will be based on that company's own data. The technique which is used to retrieve and to be a source of generative AI is called as Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. RAG is used to restrict the Gen AI application or generative AI application to only use company's data. An application using the RAG approach retrieves information most relevant to the user's request from the enterprise knowledge base or content. Then it bundles it as context along with user's request as a prompt and then sends it to the large language model to get a Gen AI response. LLMs or large language models have their own limitations around the maximum word count for the input prompt. Therefore, choosing the right passages among thousands or millions of documents in the enterprise has a direct impact on the LLM accuracy. So, in order to design an effective rank, content retrieval is a critical step to ensure the LLM receives the most relevant and concise context from enterprise content to generate accurate responses. This is where the highly accurate machine learning power tooling is required, and this is where I believe the next revolution is going to happen as lot and lot of companies might build an intermediate tooling which will act as a bridge between an LLM, which could be in the public domain like ChatGPT or Hugging Face. So this intermediate tooling or RAG would take the data from enterprise, then tailor it as per the destination LLM, then bundle it with the prompt, and then we'll retrieve the data from LLM and report back to the organization. This is all still fuzzy, but I think this is where the future is. On your screen, I know this is a bit cryptic, but this is an example of how RAG is working, where it is um, talking with Wikipedia and some other sources, then it is encoding the data, decoding the data with the prompt, and then responding it back. It's a bit of a machine learning stuff. So I'm not going to go into the dense theory, but the idea is this, that the future of Gen AI is industry and domain specific. We need RAGs to just work on company's data only, and then we could use any LLM to with the relevant prompts from the user to retrieve the required response. I hope that this made sense to you. If you have any feedback or any question, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.